Come here. You see you, narrate you. Yo, I have a vision. El Patronn. Well, uncle there. Uncle God, you have a vision. Everybody, after 3, we're going to say, big up Bobby, El Patronn, our uncle. 1, 2, 3. I don't know about car sales. I employ me. I say, Stephen, you know why you sell the car? Because you're a bloody idiot. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bobby Chalabumbus. Uncle, what are they? You see that man? People, sorry sir. This man is a visionary. This man named Uncle. And this one has a vision. Alright? You see, please recognize real vision. Where's that Patronn? Where's that Patronn?
Patronn!
Where is it? It's gone? Okay. So now, Bobby's here, Uncle's here. So now, can I ask your permission? Can I, pardon my French, can I fuck up the party now? Can I have fun now? No? Stop the music. You Afri, on a serious note. Everybody record this. On a serious note. This man right here, the word game changer, do not take it for granted, not this man for granted. Right? You showed me things as a grown man I never knew. And I admire you, and I salute you. I respect the trio, Uncle, Bobby, and yourself. You're great at what you do. Yeah. You're great at what you do. On a serious note, I salute you. Ladies and gentlemen, please get off the tree. After 3 for El Patronn. 1, 2, 3. El Patronn!